Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iPhone 6 Plus smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to adjust brightness, how to increase brightness, screen brightness in your phone iPhone 6 Plus. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to display and brightness. Here, first part is brightness. Just you can increase brightness here. Okay, if you want to increase display brightness level, you go to move this point to the right side. Okay, this is maximum brightness. Okay, if you want to reduce brightness of your display, you have to move this point to the left side. Leftmost will be very less light. Okay, so you can keep at any level according to your wish. Okay, in this way you can easily adjust or increase or decrease brightness level in your phone iPhone 6 Plus. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.